Hello everyone, in today's video we'll walk through how to create a staging site using WPvivid plugin. A staging site is a copy of your live website where you can test changes before making them public. This is a very crucial step in maintaining a stable and a professional site. So the first step we're going to do is create a staging site using WPvivid, the free version. What you're going to do, you're going to go over to plugins, then you're going to add a plugin. I already have mine already installed and activated. Once that is done, we're going to create a staging site. So you're going to locate WPvivid on the left hand panel, then click on staging, then click create a staging site. So what you're going to do, in this staging site, you're going to edit some configurations. So we're going to enter a name for a staging site. Then we can also custom table prefix. So I'm going to leave it as such. You can choose what to include or exclude. This is in the files and folders, what to include on the backup, depending on the size of your website. So I'm going to include everything. Once I'm done, I'm going to click create now. Using the pro feature, you can also exclude additional files and folder, but in this case, I'm going to use the free version. So once you're done, click on create now. A pop-up will appear. Click OK to start creating your staging site. Okay, the plugin will start creating the staging site. This process might take some few minutes depending on the size of your site. Once the progress is complete, you'll receive a WPvivid will provide you a link to access your staging site. Click on the link to open it. This is an exact copy of your live site located in a subdirectory, allowing you to test changes without affecting your live environment. So we're going to log in. From here, you can make changes, test plugins, themes, or any other customization in this safe environment. This ensures that any potential issues are caught before going live. Once you're satisfied with the changes, you have two options. If you're using the pro version, you can be able to push these changes to the live environment. If you're on the free version, you'll need to manually recreate the changes on your live site. And if you no longer need the staging site, you can delete it from the staging sites tab to free up space. And that's it. You've successfully created a staging site using the WPvivid plugin. This process ensures that your live site remains stable while you experiment with your new features and updates.